My brakes are tweaked too. That rear brake.
That was good.
Yes, that was good. Do you want to go to the fossil exhibit?
Go where?
The fossil exhibit, the dinosaurs.
Lead the way.
Well, you can go ahead, and then you'll see it'll say fossil exhibit. It's on the left.
Okay.
We go check out the fossil exhibit. So the only, there it goes. It wouldn't go into drive. Oh well, as long as it keeps running and I can shift it. I think it's the kickstand sensor, because that was the side I laid it over on. DCT is on the other side. I think those are all replicas. All the real stuff's in a museum somewhere.
Holy fuck, how would you like to run across one of these?
No thank you. So that's just the head to that thing?
Yeah. They found one in Kansas that had a 6-foot fish fossilized inside of it.
Wow. I wouldn't be surprised if there's some lost world where some of these creatures are still.
Parallel dimension.
That too. Some nasty teeth. Yeah, the thing is. I mean, that just shows you the scale. After that thing came flying over you, you're in camp, you know, and it's hungry. It's coming around.
And you hear? Holy cows. The size of that femur.
That's a big chunk of bone. Yeah, there's the Jeep of the time.
Yeah. Bravo Ceratops.
Rhino. it.